Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ida and I do cleaning and organizing videos. And today I have very exciting video to share with you today. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching. كبرات حواتكم قاعد حن متاخن سمي إيدا نبهل لو ما عندها بتعمي exciting دقونا فيديو حيزل كلمة إله تفتو أخذ تسفاي قبر يعني اللي هوادي. Alright guys, today I'm gonna do unboxing of this Louis Vuitton bag. This is a very nice bag that I chose. And this is unique. It comes with, of course, the bag. And if you want to give this bag as a gift, you see, you can give them just like this. So beautiful. And this is how you open it. Okay guys, when you open the bags first, it comes with a bag. If it is raining and you have your bag with you, you just put it in here. Or if you want to give it as a gift, you can use this one. This is very nice. It comes with the receipt and a ribbon. Okay, that's my receipt. Okay guys, this is my authentication card. This is a Louis Vuitton. A little booklet that you learn about the designer and the designs, everything. Alright, and this is additional of my receipts. The ribbon, when you give it a gift, you just tie the ribbon in here, and it has the company logo, Louis Vuitton. Okay, كبرات مجمرة مسكفت كنا مالتيو مس باقي مات مالتيو زي انت العمى حريمو قاله تبلو. So you have to keep this one in your bag all the time, okay? So to show you the bag, okay guys, this is the bag. It has another bag in here and then it also has a dust bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and open. I love the dust bag. This is huge, you guys. Look how big it is. And then I chose the most unique bag ever. You guys look at it. Oh my goodness. And it comes with another bag inside. I always love a cream bag and this one is like no other. I pick one of the best, you guys. This is beautiful. You can own this bag for $482, okay? I will leave their information on the description box. This is not a cheap bag, very nicely made. You can see all the designs in here, the LV. And I'll show you inside. Inside is this one is suede, very quality. And let's take out, this is the handle for sure. Yeah, it comes with a string to hold it. My goodness, this is perfect, you guys. Look. Authentication card that is just to show you how well it's packaged. Okay, this company works so hard to package this bag like this. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then it's very long string. This is very strong leather, you can see, beautiful. So those plastics is hard to remove, so I will remove and come back to you. Okay, كبرات حوات is string ندير مات string out ايه ومالتي which is blue plastic سو خلقوا لاني حيالي قتل قصو سو كمل سكني. اوكي كبرات حوات اكمز بوكس يزمص مالتيو حجنات بوكس مسكفتكايو تي بورصه مس مخدني ترخبو مالتي مخدناتو كمس كاريت انديو دورنا خي ايكونومي انت مقمطي وسو يمص مالتيو تي ناتو منطلطلي بورصه قربت كاني اوشطو يشطو مالتيو كريك نعخات كنيلس بوشت اتيو كم بحدش طمطيميو مالتيو كريك كنيله كل جزء سبيشال بورصة كذا أخلقن ورقة مسؤول متعلو ناتو نايتي كامباني مالتي تمحتم جلزلو كل جزء سو مساحات كن حزو أيخن إن كيس أفلت إني خشيت أو تري لي خن ويجله كارت تزيبلكن عجز ألكن النساء. Okay guys, this Louis Vuitton bag is 100% leather. Inside is 100% suede. This is made a mirror of the original Louis Vuitton bag. This is not a cheap bag. It's $482, but it's worth it. The original Louis Vuitton bag is over $1,600, and I don't want to pay that much money for a bag, but I don't mind to pay like a fraction of that price to get this beautiful mirror image bag of Louis Vuitton. This is one of the best and the latest ones. I like to keep my authentication card with me. I have two of them, and then I'm gonna keep one in my office, but the other one I like to keep it inside for all time, you guys. This is one of the most unique LV bag ever, you guys. This is the latest and the color is amazing. If you have like a boot like mine, I do have the same color boot. It will be so nice for the winter time. I just want to show you closer how it looks. It looks so gorgeous in person. I don't think the camera doing justice for this bag, but you can see the color of the string. It's like brown, and the actual bag is cream, so it matches. So you can use like a brown shoe if you want, or a cream shoe. It's up to you, but this is gorgeous, you guys. Very gorgeous. كبرات حوات البورصة تريقو دلغن نايدقيقو 100% ليزر مالتيو እንደገና ውሽጡ ካሊ ስዌድ ከምዚ ጭጉር ድበለ ሌዘር ምሻሎ ከምኡ ውሽጡ ክጽብቕ ክንዲ ማዕትዩ ቲ መንጠልጠሊኡ ዋላ ገለ ማለት አሰፋፊያ ገለ ናይ በሐቂ ክጽብቕ ክንዲ ማዕትዩ ናይ በሐቂ ፈትያ ማለትዩ እዚ ኻኒ ከምዚ ምስ ሰብኣይካ ገለ ድራር ገለ ክትወጽ ከለኻ ወይ ከዓ ዝኾነ ነገር ክላስ ማለትዩ ኢንተርቪው ገለ ክህልወካ ከሎ ናይ ስራሕ ገለ ሒዝካ ትኸይድ ናይ በሐቂ كافت الدفوتو بورصة حنت مالتها ترى اللي خن بس براون جامات قبرات لامس ويكاني كريمة خن سلك جامات قبرات الحجنا عي كم زي كريمة بوتا لحن مالتيو سو مسعني بحق تضبط ماتي حلي سو سخت كمل لاي مالتيو. Okay guys, I'm in my office right now, so I can show you closer and brighter. Of course my office is more brighter than the kitchen area, but you can see it on me. You can put it as a crossbody if you want. This is very nice. I like going shopping with this bag because you don't have to take out your bag to get your wallets. All you need to do is just open and take your things. Very gorgeous. I just want to show you on me. اوكي بعد كبرات هات عبز زمصخو كريكني لي عبز برهان سلازخونه اقرب ابي لخريكن منتي ببحده كم استدلي خنكا كم زي كروس بادي اخل خنكا تشكم اتقلي خنت انطلطلو بفلايك عبدغ غله اوالت غله توصل بوتا مول غله غله تخيدكن كتغاز اخل خن ايتسكفان مالتيو اذا خاني كم تسبولكن زماي غله تحريمو كل غيزه مساخت كنا ميكنا خديسكنا اتخدا مالتيو سو ماي تحريمو بغي كنت خدنو تي ليزر ايبالاشون ليزر ماي فتوني Darlings, I'm back just to show you my new Louis Vuitton bag that I love so much. I chose it from hundreds of bags. This is amazing, guys. If you love bags like me, by the way, this is not a real key. It just, you know, it's not real. So this is so pretty, you guys. I cannot wait to use it. Oh, let me see. And if you want, you can take it out or you can put it inside, you know. That's what I'm gonna do most of the time when I don't need it. I'll just put it inside and just zip it. And then I want to show you the design. You see? Yeah, it very nicely made, you guys. The stitches is on point. I hope you can see everything that I can see. I love the design right here. So beautiful. And you see, this is the snap to this, so it can be closed. You see, that's what it is. Beautiful. Beautiful. Louis Vuitton, the greatest designer ever. So if you guys interested, I'm gonna leave their information on the description box. Please check them out. كيكبرات حوات تفتيغ نقطقون كن دستيلو كن زبورسا قاناتهم information at the description box. قبرال كده I need to make a new shelf for my bags, you guys. Lately, I got a lot of bags this year. Yeah. And then you can do this too as a clutch if you want. Like mom's style. I can't get enough of this bag, you guys. Just to show you how nice the suede material is. And my shoe is a suede too. Let me get it out, show you, okay? What's up? In the bag, in your dust bag, with everything. And that's it. You put it in your closet. That's how you put it in your closet. كي كبرت حوات كنت أقوم تأخلق نابس كرات إيتو تأتو أمش أب كلوزت كنت تأتو أمالتيو دورونا هيكونوميتي. Okay, so كسا بلان دقبر دوات كأموتا. Okay guys, that was it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you are interested, I'm gonna leave their information on the description box. Please check them out. Okay, كبرات حواتي زي أني راني لومي فتيخن أخذ كنا تسفان داقة بركو ترى فتيخن أغن قزبورسا خم تدولكن مالتيو ناتهم information at description box لكن بسترفك ساعة بزمات جيزي زريئكن دحنك أنيا. I love you all so much. Bye.